Hi, I'm Arsham, and this series of videos about computer science and game development are sponsored by Kitakode. I've started taking a course called CS50 made by Harvard, which gives you all the knowledge you need for computer science and game development. And this series of videos are summarized versions of that course. Feel free to check it out for yourself. Now on to the video. In the next upcoming videos, we're going to be moving on to more complicated concepts like algorithms. But don't worry, we're just going to talk about them for you guys to understand that there's different types of algorithms available. So before we start, let me define what an algorithm is. Basically, an algorithm is a step-by-step set of instructions which helps you complete a task. So that was a basic way of defining an algorithm, and there's many types of them. But in the next few videos, I'll be going over a few of the most popular ones. So let's start off with our first algorithm we're going to learn, which is linear search. And this is the most straightforward algorithm we're going to learn. These algorithms that we're going to learn are mostly for sorting sets of data, and this one is no different. So in linear search, the idea of the algorithm is to iterate across the array from left to right, searching for a specific element. So let's say we're looking for the number 7 in this array of numbers. So this algorithm will go through this array element by element until it finds our desired number, which is 7. So let's say we want to find a non-existing number from this array, like the number 21. Well, you can clearly see that there's no number 21 in this array. So the job of the linear search algorithm is to go through the whole array, and because our eyes can do a quick scan and see that this number doesn't exist, we can do it faster. But this algorithm would have to go through each element to find out that this number doesn't exist. And in algorithms, usually we keep two other things in mind when comparing them: the worst case scenario and the best case scenario. The worst case is that you would have to go through the whole array and find your element at the end, which basically means if you have an array which is n elements long, you would have to presume that the algorithm's worst case is n. Now the best case is that you only have to go through one element in the array to find your desired number. So there are ways to show how inefficient or efficient our algorithms are by using these two symbols. The first one is a big O, which represents the worst case, which in this case should be O of n. And the other symbol is omega, and this represents the best case, which in this case it's omega of 1. Okay, hopefully you guys get the basic understanding of what algorithms are and how to grade their efficiency. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please feel free to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified every time I upload. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.